Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the XREAL Air 2 Pro, the ultimate AR glasses that will change how you see the world. Let's explore why this cutting-edge tech is a must-have. Immersive visuals, zero latency. Experience unparalleled clarity with the XREAL Air 2 Pro, featuring Sony Micro OLED panels. With a 46-degree field of view and a 120Hz refresh rate, these glasses deliver industry-leading visuals for an astonishing experience right out of the box. True-to-life colors, crisp and vivid. Each pair of glasses is precisely color-calibrated to ensure you get stunningly accurate and vibrant visuals with zero distortion. It's like seeing the world in 4K right in front of your eyes. Personal cinema anytime, anywhere. The XREAL Air 2 Pro offers a personal cinema experience wherever you go. Thanks to 3 adjustable dimming levels and a simple immersion control button, you can enjoy your content seamlessly in any lighting, whether indoors or outdoors. Cinematic sound experience. Enjoy immersive audio with directional audio technology, minimizing sound dispersion for privacy while delivering crisp, clear sound. Perfect for a private cinematic experience without disturbing others. Unlock spatial display with XREAL Beam Pro. Want to go beyond 2D? Pair the XREAL Air 2 Pro with the XREAL Beam Pro to access millions of 2D apps in a 3D space, expanding your spatial experience like never before. All-day comfort, zero pressure, no more discomfort. The XREAL Air 2 Pro is designed with 1-to-1 weight distribution, significantly reducing pressure on your head and nose. It comes with zero-pressure nose pads in multiple sizes and a 3-level temple adjustment for the perfect fit. Eye comfort and no fatigue. TUV Rhineland. Certified for eye comfort and low blue light, these glasses are flicker-free and reduce eye strain. They even offer prescription lens inserts, sold separately, ensuring you avoid headaches and protect your eyes. Plug and play, broad compatibility. Effortlessly connect the XREAL Air 2 Pro to virtually any device with a USB-C video output. This includes the latest iPhone 16 and 15, iPads, select Android smartphones, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, MacBook, Windows PCs, and more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Immersive Visuals, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.